Ever felt like your computer is stuck in slow motion, taking ages to do anything? That annoying spinning wheel just keeps turning? You're not alone. Let's find out why your digital companion might be dragging its feet. One of the biggest culprits is often too many programs running at once. Each app, even those hidden in the background, needs a piece of your computer's brain, what we call RAM. When you have too many open, they all fight for attention, making everything feel sluggish. Think of your computer's hard drive as your closet. If it's packed to the brim with old files, photos, videos, and games, there's hardly any room to move or find things. A full hard drive makes your computer work much harder and slower to store and access information. Sometimes it's simply age. Older internal components, like your processor or RAM, might just not be as powerful or fast as newer ones. They can struggle with today's more demanding software and online content. Nasty stuff like viruses, spyware, or other malware can secretly run in the background, using up your computer's precious resources without you even knowing. They can steal processing power, making your whole system feel incredibly sluggish. Just like a car needs regular oil changes, your computer's software and drivers need updates. Outdated operating systems, applications, or device drivers can lead to inefficiencies, security holes, and, you guessed it, slowdowns. Your computer generates heat, and if it gets too hot, it will intentionally slow down to protect its internal components from damage. Blocked vents, dusty fans, or even heavy usage in a warm room can cause overheating. So, from too many apps and a full hard drive, to sneaky viruses and even just old age, many things can make your computer feel sluggish. But don't worry, understanding these common issues is the first step to getting your speed back. Subscribe for more amazing facts.